Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the units of the measurement of solutes, we also have something called as Daltons. Okay, what is this Dalton? Dalton is actually a unit of mass. Dalton is a unit of mass is called as Dalton. So in the Dalton, 1 Dalton is equal to 1/12 of the mass of the carbon atom is called as 1 Dalton. Similarly, we have 1000 Daltons is equal to 1 kilodalton. We have 1000 Daltons which will be equal to 1 kilodaltons.
thank you and thank you for watching.